Good morning, everyone. I am in the bush now, walking again. I do this every morning to make my well-being healthy, because it's really good for your body when you walk all the time. My exercise in the forest. See what a beautiful place here. There's lots of trees. Hindi nila pinuputol dito ang puno kasi it's good for climate change, kasi ang puno kasi yan ang nagpapalamig sa lugar. May mga oxygen sila, tsaka yung carbon dioxide nag-absorb ng heat, tapos nire-return nila yung malamig na hangin. Kaya dito sa Australia hindi pinuputol dito ang puno. Talagang bago ka magputol dito ng puno, hingi ka ng permit sa government. Hindi ka basta-basta magpuputol dito, kasi yan ang bagay sa yung climate change. Hindi mainit pag maraming puno, kaya malamig dito eh. See, it's nice houses here in the bush. Kahit bush dito, maraming magandang bahay, so hindi ka matatakot maglakad. Very quiet.